Hey guys, welcome back. I am in my front yard and Milton has finally arrived. It's been days waiting for this guy to get here. So we are down to a 3 from a 5. So not as bad as it could be, but still not great. Let me turn this around. So the starfruit tree is going a little crazy. Got lightning. It probably wasn't lightning. It's probably a power line arcing somewhere. But yeah, it's kind of nuts. So anyway, prayers for Florida, right? Goodness, this is crazy. I should probably go inside. Anyway, if you're enjoying this content, please like, subscribe, and come back for more videos. I'll keep posting. Thank you.